Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as the title suggests, I'm recreating Kim Kardashian's Met Gala 2018 look. She did this amazing all things smoky look. Obviously her trusty Mario was her makeup artist for that night, and I think they did such an amazing job. I'm not the biggest fan of like very smoked out lower lash line, but something about this look that I just had to try it out and recreate it, and I'm a fan.
I feel like a Kardashian. Obviously I'm not wearing my Versace gown. It was a little over budget for today's video, but yeah.
I tried to pull as many screenshots that I could, and this is my estimation because there are no closed lid photos of Kim, so I hope I did justice to the look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Please do leave me a like before you leave and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye! So today I started off with my eyes first, and first I'm prepping my eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm buffing it out. And today we'll only be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So I'm taking this bone colored shade from there and just setting my eyelids so that nothing creases and everything blends easily. And next I'm using the shade Eden, and I'm just using that as a warm transition shade before I apply dark colors. And for today's brown, to pop up even more, I'm using my WetnWild contour stick, and this will just hold on to the color even better since it's a sticky creamy consistency. So I'm just applying that and then buffing that out, and then I'm going in with this warm brown shade and I'm just packing it all over my lid, and I'm also blending it out. Mario had an Instagram post where he mentioned that he used the shade Albanian or Albania. Either of those, I don't recall the exact shade, from his collaboration with KKW Beauty, and that's pretty much the only shade he mentioned, and this was pretty similar to that shade. It's a very warm brown, so I'm just using that and buffing that out. Even though Mario only mentioned that one shade, if you look closely, I screenshotted these from her Snapchat, and you can tell there is a little bit of a darker color on the crease, or so I thought. So I'm using the shade Oud from the same Desert Dusk palette to just define my crease a little bit, and I'm using like a large bullet brush, and I'm just blending that out. And for the wing part, I just applied some scotch tape, and I'm using my Rimmel Scandaleyes in black to draw out a wing. And then I'm going in with this Real Techniques smudger brush and a black shade. Any black shade will do. And I'm intensifying that black color, and I'm also patting it to blend it out so that it has a more like a smoky effect. And then I went ahead with my big bullet brush and I picked up some brown shade on my brush, just a little bit, and then I'm just blending it out to soften it. And I'm just cleaning my under eyes for any fallout, and then I'm gonna move ahead with my base. Kim Kardashian had a very matte look. I couldn't see any highlighter on her face, so today I decided to go very matte. So here I'm using the Too Faced Primed in Peachy Mattifying Primer, and I'm applying that all over my face, and then I'm just color correcting a little bit of my darkness and discolorations, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Camo Orange Corrector, and I'm also blending it out. For today's foundation, I decided to go ahead with the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation. It has a demi-matte finish, and I thought it would be perfect for this occasion. And I'm just blending that out with my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. For contouring today, I want to contour a little differently. I wanted that snatched, lifted Kim K face. So if you can see clearly, I'm pulling my contour a little bit higher up towards my temples. I'm obviously contouring my 6 head to turn it into a 4 head, and I am contouring my jaw. I'm also going to bring my cheek contour a little bit towards my jawline for that hollow Kim K contour effect, if that makes any sense. And now for my concealer, I'm also bringing my under eye concealer all the way up towards my temples. I'm elongating it to the sides of my face, and I'm also reverse contouring towards my lips just to have that lifted face effect. And other than that, I'm concealing the usual highlight areas, and I'm blending my contour out with my Real Techniques contour brush. I think that's what it's called. It's a really good brush, and this WetnWild contour stick blends like a dream. So if you're thinking of getting a contour stick which is also affordable, this is pretty great. For my under eyes, I went ahead and used a smaller brush for more precise blending, and to bake and set everything in place, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Loose Setting Powder, and I'm applying hefty amounts under my eyes. This is a shade lighter, so it does help brighten. And I'm also baking my laugh lines, and as you can see here, I am reverse contouring, and I'm bringing it down near my jaw to have that hollow Kim K effect. And then moving on with my eyes, I'm using that same Rimmel Scandaleyes, and I'm tightlining my entire eyes all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then using that same smudger brush, I am smudging it out in my lower lash line. And then I went ahead with the same bullet brush and picked up a little bit of brown and then just blended it out. Basically, I did the same as I did on my lids for the liner, and I'm just blending it out and elongating my wing a little bit. And here I'm just adding some finishing touches to the upper wing, and then moving ahead, I'm curling my lashes and applying a good coat of mascara to have my lashes very lifted for my dramatic falsies. And even though Kim Kardashian and Mario used lily lashes, I think in the style Goddess, I went with this very similar pair. It's from Kiss Lashes, and it's in the style Peony, I think. I'll have it listed down below after I check. And I think they were pretty accurate, and these were super cheap. These were only like, I think $6 as opposed to like $38 lily lashes. So if you're on a budget and you want those lashes, you can definitely check these out. And here I'm just setting my contour and just bronzing up my face with my WetnWild contour set. And I've also just wiped away my baking previously. And here I'm also just contouring the sides of my chin for a more Kim K effect, I guess. That's what we're gonna call it this entire video. She barely had blush. She had a very natural blush even if she did. So I'm using a very natural peachy blush, and I pulled it all the way towards my contour to make it look more natural. And then I applied lots and lots of Fix Plus to melt everything. And for my lips, I used the Huda Beauty lip liner in Spice Girl. And for that ombre effect that Kim had, I used my MAC lipstick in Kinda Sexy. And then I added lots and lots of mascara to my lower lash line, and that was pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope I've done justice to this look. If you guys have enjoyed it, please leave me a like and show me some love. You can also follow me on my socials. Everything's always listed down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!